Welcome to Annam Brahmam channel. We are so glad and happy to present you Diwali special instant sweets and savories varieties chakli and laddus. Here in both of this no much preparation time is required, hardly half an hour time. Even on the day of Diwali we can prepare this and offer. Before beginning my videos, surrendering my deep gratitude to my Guru, Bhagavan, His Divine Holiness, Sri Nityananda Paramashivam, who is the embodiment of Paramashiva himself. Hello dear friends, welcome back to our Annam Brahmam channel with healthy, delicious and tasty snack varieties. Diwali has reached. Obviously, the first and foremost recipe in Diwali is murukku or it is called chakli. Here, no soaking, no grinding, nothing. Instantly, within half an hour, we can prepare a crispy and yummy chakli. The items required to prepare this are rice flour, 1 cup. The oil to fry, I had taken nearly 500 ml. And urad dal flour. This I have roasted the urad dal and grinded into a smooth fine powder. If 1 cup of rice flour is taken, then take only 1/5 of the urad dal flour. That is, for example, if you are taking 1 cup means you have to take only 4 tablespoons of urad dal flour. Here I have taken a big sized cup, so it seems to be more. 1 teaspoon of ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Here I have taken white sesame seeds. If you want, you can take black sesame seeds also. In the preparation of chakli, we can even use, instead of urad dal flour, we can even use the roasted gram flour also. Both brings the crispiness to the murukku. Now take a vessel. First we will add the rice flour, add urad dal flour, add hing powder, add salt and add sesame seeds. If you want the murukku to be spicy, you can add red chili powder. Since I don't want to have spicy, so I am avoiding the red chili powder. Add ajwain seeds. Mix everything well. I have heated the oil and I am pouring it on the mixture. Instead of oil, even you can use butter or ghee. The reason behind adding is to make the murukku more crispier. Sprinkle some water and mix well. Then and there, sprinkle some water and mix. Mix the dough in such a way as we prepare for chapati. Don't make the dough so tight, and otherwise to prepare the chakli will be difficult. Prepare the dough very soft. Don't add too much of water also, then it will start taking more oil. Prepare the dough in this way. See, as we press the fingers, it just goes very smoothly inside. So this is the perfect consistency. Keep it aside. So this is the chakli machine. There are different types. This is one type of chakli machine. Here, first, let me take some oil in my hands. Here I am going to use this disc which has a small star shaped size. First insert that and I take little bit of oil and grease it on all corners of the oil. And using your fingers, nicely grease it inside it. From the kneaded dough, I take small portion of it and make it nicely into a cylindrical shape. Put inside this disc. Gently press it inside and cover the lid. Heat the oil. Meanwhile, we will prepare the murukku on the mold. Nicely spread the oil on the plate. We take another plate and twist it in a rounded way. As per the shape you want, as per the number you want, you can take it off. In the other plate also, you just roll it out. We prepare like this on different plates, and while we are dropping, it will be easy for us to drop it. Using your hands, just invert the plate and it will get dropped on your fingers. And drop it in the oil slowly. On one corner, as we drop only, it will get inside. Similarly, I am taking the next set and dropping it. So I am taking the next one. You can see. Similarly, like this, we prepare and keep it on a plate. Invert it on your fingers and drop it on the oil. Similarly, dropping the remaining ones also. Once it started getting cooked, please turn the other side also. And once it becomes golden brown, we remove from the oil. We can see it has turned golden brown color. We will take it out of the oil and keep it on a plate. Without grinding, without soaking, instant chakli in 30 minutes is prepared. It's very easy to prepare, and let us all try this recipe on Diwali day and celebrate Diwali. In Diwali, we prepare a sweet and one spice. So we have seen already the preparation of murukku. Next is the sweet laddu. When we say laddu, we will think of the sugar syrup, the consistency, everything. No, this is also, and once again, a very simple, easy preparation of laddu. This is a healthy laddu which is prepared using the green gram, and the requirements for this green gram laddu is green gram, about 100 grams I have taken, few cashews, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, few raisins, around 200 ml of ghee, and 200 to 250 grams of jaggery powder. I have taken 200 grams of jaggery powder. If you want to be the sweet to be more higher, then you can add more sweet. I have taken a skillet and added the green gram and roast it in medium flame. Roast it until it becomes golden brown color. Transfer it into a plate and allow it to get cool. After cooling for a few minutes, now make it into a fine smooth powder. After grinding green gram, roasted green gram, we can see how smooth the powder is. If you feel it is coarsy here and there like rava, please sieve it. Only then the laddu will be so soft and tasty. Heat the pan, pour the ghee. Now add cashews and allow it to get roasted. Next, we add the raisins. Here, I would like to tell a small thing. See, whenever you prefer to eat dry grapes, please try to have a seeded grapes. Do not take seedless grapes, because these seedless are the genetically modified grapes. All fruits are seeded. So, it is highly recommended to take only the seeded one. See, now you can see the raisins have bulged, and it's right time we will remove the cashews and raisins. See how nicely it has bulged. In the same vessel where we had the ghee, the same vessel we can take the fried raisins and cashews. Now the ghee is already heated. We will add the grinded green gram powder and keep mixing. Nicely mix the ghee and the green gram powder. If you want, you can add little milk also. It will add taste to your laddu. In some parts of the world, ahimsa milk is not available. At such cases, you can use coconut milk also. Adding milk is once again, I say, option. See, after adding the milk, the content also has become fluffy and more. It's right time we switch off the flame and transfer it into another bowl. We are transferring it into another bowl and nicely spread. It will be slightly hot. Immediately do not add. Let it become slight cool. But it should be lukewarm, like it should be hot when you touch. We will add the jaggery powder. Mix well. And cardamom powder. Mix well. Mix all the ingredients well. As we mix only, it will be automatically tempting us to have. It is a very healthy laddu. Like evening snacks, you can prepare and give it to the children. And this green gram is highly rich in protein. Jaggery is rich in iron, and we are using the dry fruits. So ultimately, it is a very healthy and delicious laddu. Now you can see, you can just touch your hands. It's not too hot. Nicely break the crumbles, whichever is seen. See, we have taken only 100 grams of green gram, but you see how much of quantity it has come. Nicely break all the crumbles, whichever is seen. We will add the fried dry fruits. Here I have taken cashews and raisins. If you want, you can put almond also, almond, pista, whichever dry fruits you have. Even some people add fig. They just cut it into small pieces and we can add and make it into small balls. And keep it in another plate. Similarly, we prepare. While you are preparing a laddu, if you feel it is breaking, you can add little bit of ghee also. And try to keep at least in one laddu one cashews, so that when the children looks, they'll be tempted to eat laddus. Similarly, we prepare laddus in the remaining flour. Delicious, tasty and healthy green gram laddu is prepared. Please everyone try this recipe. It's very simple. Hardly it takes 20 to 30 minutes maximum. Just roasting and making it powder only takes the time. The remaining preparation of laddu is very simple. Hardly 5 minutes it takes. Even on the day of Diwali, we can prepare fresh and we can offer to the god. Instant chakli and instant laddus. Please everyone try these laddus and chakli or murukku on this Diwali day and enjoy the Diwali. Happy Diwali to everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.